kids, and welcome to Kid Bits. In our first episode, we talked about ones and zeros, the building blocks of computers. In our last episode, we talked about memory. It's like, as you remember, we had a big storage and a temporary memory. Today, we're going to talk about the processor. Basically, the part that makes everything happen in a computer. So, let's check out a trusty cardboard computer and take out a memory and a new kid to the block, processor. Now the processor, as I said, he makes things happen. Like he's the taskmaster. Like anything that you do on a phone, on a tablet, or on a desktop computer is done by the processor. Like without him, nothing goes. And let's say you want to open a photo. Like many of us, they love to look at photos on a phone, on a tablet, or sometimes on a desktop PC or a laptop. And whenever you click on a photo, what actually happens, more or less, is basically the process going like, "Hey memory, can you get me that photo?" Memory's like, "Yeah, sure, why not?" And then the memory is like, "Here's the photo. Thanks, memory." And then the processor can show it to you. Obviously, the processor then has to communicate with the screen that you're actually viewing the photo, the image on. That's another part of it. Let's keep it simple. But that's basically what the processor does. And obviously, he doesn't only do it with photos. He does it with anything you do on your phone, tablet, or computer. It's like opening an app, opening a game, opening a video, anything. Even just moving the mouse or clicking on an empty space on your phone. These are all commands, and they are all going to the processor. And the processor processes them one by one. And he does it super fast, like lightning fast. Like this conversation would probably be more like something like that. That was probably pretty bad representation, but I hope you get the picture. Pun intended. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and see you next time at Kid Bits. If you like this video, then find in the caption below our YouTube link and like and subscribe.